This is 3,200 square feet of sidewalk and street gutter, as well as 4,900 square feet of vinyl fencing that has to be soft washed. With good preparation, it makes it much easier. We are using a 3-to-1 mixture with 3 gallons of water and 1 gallon of chlorine. We use an automatic backpack sprayer and hit everything. Then, begin to pressure wash. The sidewalk and street gutters haven't been cleaned in about 5 years, so some parts were pretty rough. This project took 8 hours in total. Ultimately, great work for great money. When you own a landscaping business, you start to gather connections. Under my umbrella, I have an elite plumbing company, electrician, arborist, bricklayers, and an incredible pressure washing company. When a customer is in need, you lend them a hand and you help a friend. Remember, a rising tide lifts all boats. I'll see you all out there. Good luck.